너는 수영할 수 있니? Can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim? 나 수영할 수 있어. I can swim. I can swim. I can swim. 나는 수영할 수 없어. I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. 오마이 스피킹과 초코언니만 있다면 영어로 자신있게 말할 수 있어. Is 초코언니 here with your Oh My Speaking? Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Is choco언니 here with your Oh My Speaking? So today we're starting from Oh My Speaking? Yes! Are you guys ready? I'm super duper excited. Then let's get started. Today's expression. 오늘의 표현. 내가 할 수 있는 것과 할 수 없는 것에 대해 말할 때 쓸 수 있는 표현. 나는 뭐뭐를 할 수 있어. I can. I can. I can. 나는 뭐뭐를 할 수 없어. I can't. I can't. I can't.
Look! I can fly a drone!
Amazing!
Oh no! Can you climb a tree?
Yes, I can climb a tree. Don't worry.
I can't swim. Can you swim?
Oh no. I can't swim, but I can help you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, now welcome to the Jack story time. Are you guys ready? So it seems like Jack and Wacky are playing outside. Can you guess what they're playing with? That's right, it's a drone. 드론 우리 친구들 알까요? They're playing with the drones, but for somehow drone gets into a trouble. We're gonna go into a story and check them out. Ready? So Jack here says, look, I can fly a drone. 봐봐, 나 드론 날릴 수 있어. Look, I can fly a drone. And here Wacky says, amazing. 와, 놀랍다. Amazing. And on the second strip, oh no, the drone got stuck in a tree. 나무에 걸렸어, 얘들아. Jack says, oh no, can you climb a tree? 너 나무를 오를 수 있니? Why? Because the drone got stuck in a tree, right? And then here Wacky says, yes, I can climb a tree. Don't worry. 그럼 나는 나무를 오를 수 있어. Don't worry. 걱정 마. And then on the third picture, oh no, it gets even worse. The drone goes into the water. Jack here says, I can't swim. Can you swim? 나 수영할 수 없어. 너 수영할 수 있니? I can't swim. Can you swim? And then Wacky here says, oh no. Do you think Wacky can swim? Wacky가 과연 수영을 할 수 있을까요? On the fourth picture says, I can't swim, but I can help you. 나 수영은 할 수 없어. 하지만 나는 너를 도와줄 수 있어. How? Do you see Wacky's arm? It gets super long. His arm goes super long. It goes into the water and grabs the drones, right? And then Jack here says, thank you. Wow, thank God, the drone. It almost fell into the water. It also got stuck in the tree. And Wacky saved Jack, right? Yay! So I hope you guys had fun reading the story. Now using two patterns, I can and I can't, let's go make a sentence. All right, everyone, my first choice is, can you guys guess? Yes, it's jump rope. One more time, jump rope. What is it? jump rope. 줄넘기 하다. Jump rope. Do you guys like jump roping? I love jump roping. Anyway, let's put that in our key sentence. Ready? 나는 줄넘기를 할 수 있어요. I can jump rope. One more time. I can jump rope. One more time. I can jump rope. Awesome, you guys. Very nice. So let's move on to the second vocabulary word. Yes, it's my favorite activity. You do some punching here and you do some kicking here. What is it? That's right. Do taekwondo. Oh, one more time. Do taekwondo. Oh, teacher, what is taekwondo? Yes, it is taekwondo 하다. One more time. Do taekwondo. One more time. Do taekwondo. 나는 태권도 할 수 있어요. I can do taekwondo. One more time. I can do taekwondo. One last time. I can do taekwondo. Good job, everyone. You guys rocked here. Let's move on to listen and check. Now, welcome to your listen and check time, everybody. Are you guys ready to check your learning? Okay, now we're going to start from activity A, number 1. Get your say pen ready.
Number 1.
Can you jump rope?
Yes, I can jump rope.
Okay, so what was the question, guys? Can you jump rope? Can you jump rope? And looking at these pictures, which picture is doing the jump rope? Which girl is doing the jump rope? That's right, the second girl is doing the jump rope. So we're going to put a check mark on the second girl. Yes, I can jump rope. Yes, I can jump rope. Good job, guys. Now moving on to activity B. Ready?
Number 1.
I can do taekwondo. Can you do taekwondo?
A.
No, I can't do taekwondo. I can hula hoop.
B.
No, I can't do taekwondo. I can do yoga.
C.
Yes, I can do taekwondo.
Okay, so what was the girl's question? I can do taekwondo. Can you do taekwondo? 나 태권도 할 수 있어. 너 태권도 할 수 있니? So, but guys, look at this picture. Do you see the boy? What is the boy doing? We see the boy doing the yoga, right? And he's posing the tree pose. So we can guess maybe he's better at yoga. So let's go over the answers together. A, it says, no, I can't do taekwondo. I can hula hoop. B, no, I can't do taekwondo. I can do yoga. C, it says, yes, I can do taekwondo. Which one do you think is the answer? That's correct. B would be the correct answer because he is so good at yoga, but on the other hand, he is falling on the taekwondo pose, right? So the answer is B. You guys did a wonderful job. Awesome. All the children of Oma's kingdom spoke English happily ever after. The end.